Nikuja kukagua. So we are there back to the old days. We have been through these things before. We thought they'd change, but the more things change, the more they remain the same. But we are not scared. We have worked this journey before. We know the ups and downs of it, and we are definitely convinced that ultimately the Kenyan spirit shall prevail. So with those very many remarks now, let me invite the birthday lady to come and say something to you people. Karibu sana.
Once again, good evening. He has said actually, he has said everything. But on my part, I just want to thank you. I want to thank all of you for being here for us this evening. I know it is in the middle of the week. Today is a Thursday, and many people are going to work tomorrow morning, but you are here because of us. Thank you very much, and may God bless you for that. My dear husband, Raila Amolo Odinga, has said everything that needs to be said. But I was also surprised to notice that it's actually 50 years of marriage. Because every morning is a new morning. Every day is a new day. What you saw yesterday is not what you are going to see today. What happened last year is not what is going to happen this year. But that is life. I know most of you here are politicians. I wish I could also have a meeting with the wives of these politicians, because